Hey friends, if you wish to fix sound distortion issues in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution will be to disable audio enhancements. So click on the system tray, right click on the sound icon and select settings. Scroll down, select this option here which says more sound settings. There are some devices which are such that when you right click on them and select properties and go to the enhancements tab, there will be a lot of enhancements. So you can click on disable all enhancements, then select apply and OK. The next one is to update the audio drivers, all of them. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list of audio inputs and outputs. Right click and update drivers. Right click and update drivers. And update all the drivers. And the last one is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select audio troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.